Series 13 Gravedigger Spin Master Monster Jam. On the back of the card, as always, they have the picture of the trucks in the series. Backwards Bob is in Retro Rebels. El Toro Loco is in Reckless Trucks. Superman is in Heroes and Villains. And then we have Thrasher in Legacy Trucks. Tropical Thunder is in Forces of Nature. Racing Stripes is in Crazy Creatures. Zombie is in Boneyard Trucks. And the ride truck, or the chase piece, for Series 13 is Megalodon. And the poster that you get in Series 13 is a nice one of Backwoods Bob. And so let's go ahead and unbox the Gravedigger. Here we get, oh, look at this. This is awesome. Now, this is what I would like to see on every wristband. The name of the truck printed on the wristband. So we get the Gravedigger, so that's a little special. And then there's always the Monster Jam logo. And then there's a little bit, yeah, there we go. There's Gravedigger. And then some of the paint scheme of the Gravedigger on both sides of this rubber band area of Gravedigger. So that's very cool and something unique for Gravedigger. So let's bring in the Gravedigger. Here it is. It is on those flotation tires. So this is going back old school, which, you know, is correct with those yellow wheels. Looks very eye-popping with the red body. And look at that Gravedigger. The windows are kind of down, so to speak. There's the windshield. Now we're turning it around to the front. There we go. One thing that you'll notice is that they use the chassis for this Gravedigger as for the ride truck. So the ride truck chassis is the same as the chassis that is on this Gravedigger. And there you have the motor popping up in the front there of Gravedigger. So turn it around to the other side so you can see it. Very cool. And then you see that very small up here, it does say Dennis. So that's very cool that they have that as the truck back in the day. Old school running mud boggin. And then on the back, they do have the printing on the tailgate. It says, "We ain't bad, but the bad don't mess with us." I believe that is the saying. So, all together, this was pretty cool. Thank you for tuning in. That's a wrap of this video.